In this video, we're going to make seed mix from scratch.
Pitchfork, some amendments, azomite, kelp meal, Roots Organics Foundation, a bucket, 5-gallon, perlite, compost, a 27-gallon bin, and I have a quarter mesh like a fence metal. I just kind of put screws every 3-4 inches on the side. I got 2x4s, made a frame, then I put 2x4s on top. I'm gonna put a mask on and put peat moss into the bucket, fill it up. Black cow manure, natural. Screen on. Work it in. So what's left? It's just it's like big chunks. So that's what's left. Looks like. Next, we're going to do half a bucket of perlite. Wear a mask. Mix it with pitchfork. Handful of kelp meal. Handful of azomite. Handful of this Root Organics. '74 wind strip tray. It has air pruning. Soil doesn't go in these little boxes, but they do in these. On the edges they have slots for air pruning. So there's 74 in that one. This one I think is 50 for tomatoes and cucumbers and bigger plants. If you go too hard, just press it in there. Make sure the edges. All right. Ready for seeding. The water is turned on. This one. I'll put this down and the irrigation off, so it's that way. So towards the center is on, go into the hose. Do more. So you're gonna soak it a lot. On the 50 tray, 10 by 5. On the page, I got 10 by 5. With this, we got 6 across, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 12 high. 6 across, 12 high. That's how I'm gonna label my seeds. Put some sticks in there with the B for back. And I also, on the sheet, I label back. All heirlooms. Put 2 seeds into each slot. And for seeds like zucchini, I'm just gonna put 1 because they're big. Piece of paper, and the ones I've done, I'm gonna put behind. So So the zucchini, that's where it went. So I'm just gonna do 2, put them in there, they're all in. So I just put this in this tray just for easy carrying. Get a little bit of water. Watering can from Walmart. And the water is soft water. All right, this is day 4. I just put this white mosquito net over it, put some sticks so that it wouldn't be on top of the seeds. And every day I'm just giving them a little water. 2 weeks in, looking pretty good.